Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a video. Today we're going to talk about something that I think is super important for anybody who owns a home or lives somewhere for things that you might need to do. So today we're going to be making a tracker dedicated to all things remembering. So if you are new to my channel, welcome back. I am so glad to have you here. My dog is crunching tissue paper, walking to go to her little dog bed. And if you're returning, welcome back. Just so you know, Annabelle's in here planning with us today, and we're excited to be doing it together. So thank you so much for your support for everyone who's watching this video, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so today, as a realtor, I tell people things they need to do all the time to their houses. All the time. All the time. Do you think I do them? Nope, I do not do them. And I need to remind myself. And sometimes that's more challenging because life gets in the way. So, it's always helpful to have an outsider's opinion. Well, that's kind of what I need to be for myself sometimes. So this is going to be a tracker dedicated to those things that we do not do on the regular and that we need to, or we need to monitor because they're not regular tasks. And sometimes it takes a little bit longer to remember them. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to this Happy Illustration sticker book, mainly because there's these little houses in there, and I'm going to pull those stickers because they're so cute. And that's going to give me some of my decor for the, for this paper. And this is going to, like I said, be dedicated mostly to the things that you don't do on the regular basis, but you need to do, sometime within the course of a year. It depends on what you want to do it or how you want to do it, but kind of more checking on things that you have done recently and, when those might need to be taken care of. So, for example, I just recently changed the vents in my thermostats. And those now need to be done again in 90 days. So I'm going to take some colorful boxes, I think. I'm trying to figure out what the best color is going to be to do. I'm kind of thinking purple's the theme I'm going to go for. I'm kind of thinking. And I actually want some bigger ones, so I might have to go to several different sticker books for them if I don't find the ones I want. This could be good. All right, and I'm going to put the date and the category in here of when I need to change it next. And I'm going to put, again, this is going to be dedicated primarily to, I always find that if you just kind of randomly place your stickers, it looks better. Because if you put too much thought into it and then you misplace one, then you're like, oh my gosh, it's all crooked and crazy. But it won't look like that if you don't have any specific placement to begin with. So that's my, tip for the day. But yeah, so the biggest thing is you're going to want to put the dates of things, like I said, that you know that you need to do and that you might need to, at least if anything else, check. And those are some of the more important things. So sometimes it's not always that you have to do things, it's that you need to check things and make sure that things are done correctly. And so I'm going to give you a few examples of things as I write them down that you should be doing on the regular basis. And I think you should always have a tracker like this going for yourself, just to give yourself some ideas, like I said, on when is the last time things have been done or when you need to do things. So some of these dates I have to check for myself because it's been a while since I've done them, but we're going to write the categories down to get us started. I would totally put the enjoy your life and growing thing right here. If it doesn't, it's not going to fit though. Okay, so let me get a pen. Okay, so one of the first things is if you have any type of heat return, some of them are a little crooked, but I don't care. And I'm going to write house stuff at the top in just a moment. But if you have any type of heat return or anything you want to change, vent, filters, fridge, water filters. You want to check the bottom if you have a crawl space. You want to check the vents to make sure they're open on the crawl space. And you want to check those like basically during it's a 6-month period of time that you check them to open and close them. You open them in the summer months and you close them in the winter months, and then that is, how you're supposed to do it. So you want to check them like starting the fall season to the spring season kind of thing. You want to trim hedges, or I'm gonna put bushes, or pull dead flowers. And what I'm going to put, like I said, these are due dates, and then I'm going to reflect those in my planner and check this periodically as you need to. You want to clean out dryer vent from the outside because that's a leading cause of fire. To keep mice away, you want to clean under your stove if you can pull out. And then you want to, this is all depending on if you have, like if you live in a well and septic, I could go on for hours, realtor life here, but you need to check like your, salts for your water softener, if you have water softener and things like that. I don't, so it's not as important as but clean out jets and bathtub. And so again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and just put it, I'm just going to put it in my planner and put some dates on it. So I'll write the dates underneath and it will get me where I need to be for that period of time. And so that is going to be the way to start this whole endeavor, this whole shindig you got going on here. And then what I'm going to do, let's see here. I'm going to take 2 little purple stickers and I'm going to take them and I'm going to cut a little tip of purple off. Now you could get, I'm going to do it again here. You could get if you have the letters, you could get those out and put them in there. I'm not going to do that. I just want to keep it simple and connect them like this. And then throw those away, obviously. And then I'm going to put households guide. You could do it however you want to do it, but that's the way I'm going to do it just to keep it easier for me and remember that I'm doing the things that I need to be doing to make sure I'm taking care of my house the best way possible. Seal, decks from water. Now, some are yearly, some are every other. I mean, some have some time to go behind them, so it's not necessarily like you're not going to see some of this maintenance stuff happen. The things that you primarily want to focus on are the things that you're not seeing all the time that you're not going to remember. Like changing the vent filters is constant forget for me. Changing my water filter, I don't even know how long that's been. Cleaning the dryer outside, that's a leading cause of fire. You want to take care of that. Also, probably changing like your smoke detector alarms and things you could add to this list. So in the comments comments below. I would love for you to leave a little bit of information on, when you feel like it's the best time to change these things and any type of other maintenance that we should remember to add to this list. And again, I'm going to continue to add a few stickers here and there and put a few more things on this. It's not always completely finished, but it's always a good idea to get some things started. I don't put too much craze into size, spacing, or things like that, but if that's important to you, then just really make an itemized focus on that. So, all right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful for you to make a reminder of how to take care of your home the most properly to save on everything in life. And I cannot wait to see you on the next video. So if you have not done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the fun in the future. All right, everyone, I'll see you soon. Have a great rest of your day.